I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times. If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling blue? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to, but every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm doing a weekly spread, so I show you how I set up my week. But before we get started, I want to review this new bullet journal that I bought on Saturday. It's a dotted bullet journal, so as you can see there are lots of pages. Exactly, there are 240 pages, and the brand of the bullet journal is a French brand, and it's the Toga Paris. And don't worry, I will leave in the info box all the information about this bullet journal. For the size, it's 15 by 21 centimeter, and it's like a book. It's very comfortable. The pages are soft and the dots are not black but gray, so they give a clean look of the page. Also, the cover is stiff and rigid, and you can carry this bullet journal in a medium bag or in a bag. The quality is awesome, and also the price. In fact, I bought it for 7-8 euros, which is $9-10. So if you are a beginner of bullet journal, I definitely recommend you to start with this type of bullet journal because it's cheap and it's beautiful. Now I will leave you to the video, and if you're wondering what stationaries I'm using in this video, I will leave everything in the info box. For my brush pen I'm using the Ezigoo Brush Pen, and here I'm using the Staedtler fineliner pen. Basically this is my main stationaries. Okay, now I leave you to the video because I have the flu, so I can't talk for longer. Remember to check out the other content about bullet journal on my channel. In fact, I have a playlist which is the bullet journal ideas, where you can find all my weekly spread, my monthly log and the setup. So I recommend you to check it out, and also follow me on my social media like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Tumblr, where I post almost every day. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!
So deep in your eyes, I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. Yeah, 'cause I know I don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. When I talk to my friends so quietly, who you think he is? Look at what you've done to me. Tennis shoes don't even need to buy a new dress. You and he ain't nobody else to impress. when I'm with you. But I still don't understand just how your love can do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, love's got me looking so crazy, love. Got me looking so crazy.